Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sign in Minecraft Bedrock Edition for all platforms. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now I'm going to be showing you how to log into PC and mobile, but you'll be able to do it on Switch or whatever device you're currently using. Okay, so for computers, just go ahead and open up your Minecraft launcher, just like so. Click on it. And then for the first time, it will ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. So all you got to do is just sign in with Microsoft and just wait for your account to load. All right. And then after that, go ahead over to your Minecraft Bedrock, update the game if it asks you to update, or just hit on play right here and it will just automatically update. All right. And then after that, you'll be automatically logged in. Now for mobile, I'm just going to go ahead and open up the game. Now just basically tap on right here in the left panel, sign in, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, just basically do the same thing. Sign in with your Microsoft account right here. And if you don't have a Microsoft account, well, you can just easily create one from here, okay? Please give me a moment. I'm just going to log in. All right. And just wait for it to load. Tap on Let's Go. And here we have Minecraft Bedrock loading. There you have it. That's how simple it is to sign in to Minecraft Bedrock Edition for all available platforms, right? Hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.